Welcome this morning to the Eco Park South project. We're based here in Edmonton, in North London. This is essentially a waste transfer and recycling hub that's going to take in a lot of waste from 7 boroughs in around North London. Exeon were an integral part of delivery of the Eco Park South project.
They provided a huge odour extraction system. It is one of the biggest odour control systems in Europe. It is very bespoke.
The scope that Exeon have carried out is simply to provide the right environment for the people to undertake the waste separation, waste isolation and then transfer of the waste.
This is a waste plant. It's full of rubbish, full of smelly things, and you don't want that floating over the residential areas because it's unpleasant for people. So environmentally it's absolutely a necessity for a project like this. The Eco Park South project is a complex project, even for Taylor Woodrow standards, and we're used to dealing with very large projects. It's a lot of process plant, of which Exeon's is a major part of it.
The project as a whole that Exeon were undertaking was it's a massive project.
Exeon have been part of this journey with us. As part of processing waste, odour management, air management is an important feature.
Exeon's package consisted of the Integrated Odour Ventilation System, IOVS, and that is massive fans to extract the smell from the plant, and huge ducts, of which I've never seen before on a project.
We obviously got concept drawings from Exeon. We worked with Exeon. Those were coordinated with the rest of the M&E services and civils and architectural designs. Their modelling and their presentations probably better than most on the project, probably second to none, and those have paid dividends with the constructability of their works. They've given us BIM models, 3D models, movable models. Their design was very good.
Their expertise in their field was something that we weren't particularly familiar with. They were able to introduce things in a manner that we understood. From that point of view, it made it easy for us to get into contract with them and negotiate with them in a sensible manner.
They're a very constructive organisation, take on a highly technical challenge, which is the delivery of the odour control system. Found them to be technically savvy, proactive in solution finding and strong deliverers of their product.
They've been brilliant throughout the project, never caused us any issues at all. A lot of senior Taylor Woodrow foremen would back me up on that. Yeah, they've all been very good.
So Exeon's communication has always been very good. They were always very accommodating of the meetings that we put forward. Communication with their project manager and their site engineers was always good.
On-site staff, excellent as well. You know, very knowledgeable of how to install the system. Any inspections and reporting on health and safety issues was always done very well. There was never any big issues with the team, and it was always well managed.
They are decent people to work with. They are reasonable to deal with. They know the contract. You know, I have to deal with a lot of subcontractors who don't know the subcontract and don't know the contract conditions and try to wing it a little bit. Exeon aren't like that. They have been professional and run the contract properly throughout.
We've got to have the right air movement in the building. We've got to have the right odour control in the building such that we're not seen to be polluting the local environment or the local community. And Exeon have been part of that delivery solution.
It's a complex project made easy on their part by their pragmatism and common sense.